Show me the way to go home. I'm tired and I want to go to bed. I had a little drink about an hour ago and it got right to my head. Wherever I'm near, on land or sea or foam, you can always hear me singing.
It's late. I am tired and I would like to go to bed. But I'm here, and I'm here for a very good reason, because something has just come across my desk that might just be the biggest thing to happen to the sleep apnea industry in the past 40 years. I shit you not. I do not kid around, and you know this well. And I would like to give a massive shout out right now to April Loofs, fellow Sleep HQ member, for discovering this. I mean, it was right there in plain sight on the ResMed website. All right, an unlisted page, of course. However, it's there. You guys can go check it out yourselves right here, right now. The world's first tubeless CPAP device. And I freaking called this 2 years ago. I did. If you want to go check that video, I called it, but they've done it. And they are calling it the Air12X Nano. Here it is here. So you can see it connected with the F20 mask here. But apparently it just connects up with any ResMed mask. You just click it in. I guess kind of like the Air Mini. Now you connect up that little Humidex cartridge. That's how it is. Now they've got a few images, so we'll quickly go through the images. This is all brand new to me. So I'm just literally learning about this right here, right now with you guys. Pretty incredible. So here it is here. And we'll check out the next one. So this is the device. And my understanding is you have the blower section. I think you have two blowers almost. Blower here. I think that's a Humidex cartridge or something like that. That might be a hypoallergenic filter. I believe this component here might be the charge, the battery, maybe? I don't know. What else have we got? Here are some masks, F20, N20, P10. They've also got a little video. There it is. So there's the blower. That looks exactly like a Air Mini blower, an AirSense 11 blower. They're using the same blower, guys. Again, makes sense, it's ResMed. So there's the components. There's the masks. That's how it connects up. Click, click, click. What have we got here? That section here, that's the power. That's definitely the power. All right. So that you click that off, obviously, and plug it in to some sort of charging port here. And then obviously at night you click it back in. And away you go. What are they charging here? $2,000. And they've got a whole bunch of information here. So I'll quickly run through some of these features because they are next level cool. BreathSync AI. I called this one too, guys. AI. It was always going to happen. Advanced machine learning algorithms predict and respond to subtle changes in your breathing pattern in real time. I've been calling for this. Delivering pressure exactly when you need it and never when you don't. Adaptive pressure mapping. Using high-speed microsensors, the Air12X Nano continuously maps your airflow and micro-adjusts therapy pressures 10 times per second. Holy shit. To maintain the perfect pressure balance through every stage of sleep. Nuts. Smart Charge Dock. The integrated smart charge system uses proximity detection and precision-aligned magnetic contacts to ensure fast, secure, and effortless overnight charging. AirCloud Sync. All therapy data is securely transmitted to the AirCloud system. That's new. It used to be called AirView. Now they're calling it AirCloud. I actually like that name better. giving you and your healthcare provider instant access. Instant access. I wonder if it is instant, like Sleep HQ Magic Uploader. I don't know. Auto climate flow. Integrated temperature regulation technology gently warms incoming air to match your body's core temperature. That's crazy. Preventing nasal dryness and maximizing comfort. There's something about new app. DNA Fit Smart Seal. Each device is precision calibrated using biometric scanning and facial mapping to create personalized seal optimized for your unique nasal profile. Nasal profile? What about full face users? They showed the F20, I don't know. Motion aware mobility tracking. For active sleepers, Motion Aware detects positional changes and dynamically adjusts airflow delivery to maintain stability and comfort throughout the night. And there's more. So I'm going to need a few days just to digest everything here, figure out what the bloody hell is going on. But this is here, this is happening, and I'll put some information in the description down below. Go and check out the link for yourself. I mean, this is their website. You can go click around, you can learn about it for yourself, you can watch the videos for yourself. Let me know what you think, comments down below. Show me the way to go home. I'm tired and I want to go to bed. I had a little drink about an hour ago and it's April Fool's motherfucker.